Since I have done this, it changed my life. Cucumbers have long been enjoyed for their refreshing and distinct taste. In some parts of the world, they have also been used for generations for their natural and herbal medication properties. Regular consumption of cucumbers can help to support digestion and offer good levels of nutrition to promote our health. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming cucumbers regularly. 1. First, as mentioned previously, cucumbers are a good source of many types of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to support of overall health. More specifically, cucumbers are a good source of vitamin K, potassium, vitamin C, manganese, thiamine, and magnesium. Cucumbers with a peel left on, it's also a good source of fiber, antioxidants, and it's high in water content. Two, consuming cucumbers regularly can also help to support digestive health and promote regularity. This is often associated with their good levels of fiber and high levels of water. When we are not properly hydrated, this can be one of the risks for constipation. Cucumbers promote hydration, which can help to prevent constipation symptoms and help with regularity. They also contain a type of soluble fiber known as pectin that can help food move through the digestive system and increase beneficial bacteria in the gut. 3. Consuming cucumbers regularly can also help to promote the overall health of our heart in many different ways and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. They are a good source of heart-healthy nutrients such as potassium and magnesium. As well, cucumbers can help to regulate and control blood pressure levels. Not only that, but cucumbers contain a unique and potent compound known as lignin, which can help reduce inflammation, to reduce the risk of heart disease and decrease damage to the cardiovascular system.